What is Deism? The term Deism refers not to a specific religion, but rather to a particular perspective on the nature of God. Thus, Deism holds the belief that a single creator, God, does exist, but it must be noted that Deism takes its evidence from reason and logic, not the revelatory acts and miracles that form the basis of faith in many organized religions. It is important to note that deists believe that after the motions of the universe were set in place, God retreated and had no further interaction with the created universe, or the beings within it. It is for this reason that Deism is sometimes considered to be a reaction against theism in its various forms, namely, the belief in a God that does intervene in the lives of humans, and with whom one can have a personal relationship. As we can see, deists, therefore, break with followers of other major theistic religions in several important ways, namely: first, rejection of prophets. Because God has no desire or need for worship or other specific behavior on the part of followers, for the deists, there is no reason to think that he speaks through prophets or sends his representatives to live among humanity. Second, rejection of supernatural events. In his wisdom, God created all of the desired motions of the universe during creation. There is, therefore, no need for him to make mid-course corrections by granting visions, performing miracles, and other supernatural acts. And third, rejection of ceremony and ritual. In its early origins, Deism rejected what it saw as the artificial pomp of the ceremonies and rituals of organized religion. Deists favor a natural religion that almost resembles primitive monotheism in the freshness and immediacy of its practice. For deists, belief in God is not a matter of faith or suspension of disbelief, but a common-sense conclusion based on the evidence of the senses and reason. In terms of the methods in understanding God, because deists do not believe that God manifests himself directly, they believe that he can only be understood through the application of reason and through the study of the universe he created. Deists also have a fairly positive view of human existence, stressing the greatness of creation and the natural faculties granted to humanity, such as the ability to reason. For this reason, deists largely reject all forms of revealed religion. In fact, deists believe that any knowledge one has of God should come through one's own understanding, experiences, and reason, not the prophecies of others.